Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Roni. And Roni, as you may remember him from our website, we've done several updates from his surgery day up to now, which is 1 year from his surgery. And as you can see from his pictures, he looks like a different person in such a better way. Not only has he improved his hair, he's actually he's also lost a little bit of weight, he's working out, he's in shape. So he's had to have this total transformation, but hair is a big part of that. Roni, what do you think of your results? And tell us how it's affected you in your life.
I'll be honest, I love my results. Everything is great. When I look at myself in the mirror, just feel years younger. And it's not only me looking in the mirror and saying that. Every day I hear the compliments from people. They're like, what do you do? People are always trying to figure out, what is it? How do you look younger? I told everyone, I had a hair transplant,
okay.
And I was really open about it. And that people have just been, I think a little inspired, not to say I'm an icon now or anything, but people have been a little inspired to, like, guys who are balding that I know, they're just like, really, can I do that? And and I'm Indian, so a lot of the people, like, in Indian culture, it's kind of taboo,
to talk about it.
Talk about this stuff. They're like, oh, you got a hair transplant? But now everybody's like, hey, can you tell my son to do it?
Right.
Can you talk to them? And it's like, my family's all talking about it.
Awesome, man. And you can see from his before pictures, I mean, what a difference. That's awesome, man. Any issues with the scar in the back? Does it ever show? You have any trouble concealing it?
No, and I'll tell you what, I just let my barber know, and he's telling me, he's like, at the beginning, you can see it a little, but he says it gradually over time, it's like,
it just fades away.
You can barely see it. And he gives me, and I even get I thought I couldn't get a fade anymore, I get a lower fade, and you can barely see the scar. I mean, you can barely see it at all.
Awesome.
And I can still get the haircut I want.
Right.
So I just want to tell the guys out there that just because you get it doesn't mean that you can still get the haircut you want, the hairstyle you want.
Right. And he, Roni was a guy that needed a lot of hair, so if he decided to have an FUE case, he wouldn't have got the same result, most likely. Would have been a little more short. So, Roni, I'm going to have you just kind of pose for us. I'm going to have you put your chin down onto your chest just so we can see the top, and I'm going to kind of put the side-by-side comparison. There we go. Perfect. Wow. All right, and let's do a left and right. So pick a side, either left or right, and we'll see the side profile. There we go. Yep. Perfect. And then hold it right there. Yep. And then slowly turn towards the other side. Excellent.
Turn towards the other side.
Yep. And you can see he has his hair pretty short, and he's still able to conceal that. But wow, what a difference, man. Roni, I'm so happy for you. Thank you for being open with your procedure and your results. I promise you this will help other people in their research. And really happy for you, man. Congratulations. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, Dr. Huebner, and I think I keep saying this on every video, but this is the best. Not only have I think this is the best thing I've ever done. I had one of the teachers that I work with. She came up to me and told me, this is the best thing you've ever done. Other people came up.
Other people are saying that too. All right, cool. Awesome, man. Well,
it's awesome. Changed my life.
Awesome, man.
Seriously.
So happy for you.
Yeah.
So happy for you, man. All right, awesome, man. And that's permanent. That'll be there for the rest of your life. So you're good to go. One less thing to have to worry about. So awesome, Roni. Thanks again.
All right, thanks a lot, Doctor.
You got it. All right. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.